It's a beautiful day and a great day for a drive. This is a 2021 F-150 XLT in agate black with dark slate cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the XTR package, which adds some shine with chrome bumper, fender, running board, handles, and tow hooks. It also has a max trailer tow package, which includes a trailer hitch. You also have a reverse camera and backup sensors. And it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're gonna have a look under the hood. This is a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have these nice all-weather mats up front. You also have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the aid of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your cruise control, volume, menu, and your hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and you also have the menu that you can toggle through. So we can get in there, and it's just letting us know anything important. My view, trip view, truck info, towing, and you also have navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter is located here, little cubby up top, and you've got your auto stop start, your camera view, hazard lights, traction control, your touch screen, and you push on audio for your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. There's your navigation again, and you noticed it was in your menu. It's also here. So you have a couple of different ways of activating it, and then you have your features, and right in there is your owner's manual. You can go into your settings, slide through, connectivity, your 911 assist, your display, and so forth. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view here. I'm just going to put us back into park. There's a volume and tuner. Down below, digital readout, dual climate control. You have your front and rear defrost, as well as the AC and max AC fans in the center, USB and USB-C, plus a 12-volt. Little cubby down below, Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 locking differential. And then in the center, you've got a couple of cup holders in your armrest. You can open it up, lots of storage in there, and then lift up your seat for another seating position. You've got a seat belt, unclip underneath, more storage down below. And then you've got your 12-volt located here, and you've got another USB, USB-C, and a couple of glove compartments. The lower one's locking, and the top one's just a push of a button, and it pops right open for you. And then you have your auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and in the back you have a power sliding window. That's what that button's for right there. And there's a grab handle in the body. That just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. And the chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Above that handle is where your backup camera is located. Backup sensors on your bumper. You've got a 4 and 7-pin connector trailer hitch and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, just simply put your hand in the latch. And it's nice tie downs in all 4 corners. It's a locked box, and you have your tailgate step. You also have box link. And on the back of the tailgate as well, you've got 2 measuring sticks basically here, imperial and metric. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab, and then you're able to lift the seat, gives you more room on the floor, and then pull the tab again and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you have this nice all-weather mat on the floor, plus extra carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you've got a USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt, as well as a couple of cup holders, and you're seeing the mats there. Grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back, access to a power sliding window and rear defrost. Tailgate step, chrome bumpers, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.